IB Juniors, here we go for Thursday, May 21st. First, complete the May 21st due now assignment, due before 2 p.m. And second, in large part because I know a lot of you had your IB orals and you were busy, which is why a lot of you didn't get done the Paris 1919 assignment done, even though you had it since last Wednesday. But I'm not going to lecture you on time management at this point. Only to say that what you have due on Wednesday, May 27th, are only two short analysis activities. One is a speech given by a German officer at the end of the war, and we began practicing source analysis towards the end of the year. This is another opportunity to do that. And the other reason why I included this particular speech is because those of you that did do the Paris 1919 assignment all pointed to, every one of you, and understandably, all of you pointed to the person who made the process the most difficult was the French Prime Minister Clemenceau. Given where the German military was, perhaps Germany wasn't in the position of strength to negotiate that some of you perhaps were led to believe. So that's two reasons for that assignment. One, to show where Germany was at militarily, and second, to practice analyzing sources. The second assignment there is to complete the page 125 cartoon analysis. Those are just 3 cartoons that you'll be looking at. And you'll be analyzing those cartoons using the TACOS acronym. And it's good practice. These were cartoons that went out during the Paris Peace Conference, and another activity that you will do for the test next year, and also just good practice for learning about history, analyzing political cartoons. That's what I got. Plenty of extra credit opportunities and a really great opportunity over the long weekend for you guys to get caught up if you need to. I'm cheering for you. I'm here to help you. I would love to help you. And that's where we are at. Have a good weekend.